Are you looking to learn how to play some modes on guitar? Then you came to the right place. My name is Chris, I'm from GuitArmy, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play all 7 modes out of position number 4 on the guitar. Let's go ahead and get started. Before I show you how to play the first mode, I should let you know that I've already put out videos for the 7 modes on positions 1, 2, and 3 already on YouTube, and also a video that talks about modes explained. So if you're going to watch this video and you're like, I don't really know what you're talking about, maybe go back and check out that modes explained video. And if I would learn these scale positions, but then I would also go back and do positions 1 through 3. I will also have a video coming up for position number 5, so please subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you'll know when I come out with that video. These previous videos, the links will be down in the description for all of them. So after you watch this, you can go check those other ones out. If you're interested in getting some large printable charts for these modes, you can do that over on my Patreon page at patreon.com/GuitArmy. They'll be over there in case you want some big printables. And I also have those charts printable for the other positions 1, 2, and 3 over there as well. So check it out if you're interested at patreon.com/GuitArmy. Just a quick note, at the beginning of each mode, I'm going to play a guitar riff. And you're going to notice that the riffs are very similar, but they're all going to sound a little different. That's because what I'm going to do for each riff, I'm going to change the notes so that it fits the mode that you're about to learn. So this is how you play an A major scale or A Ionian scale in position number 4. We're going to start right here on this A, which is on the 5th string, 12th fret. And it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming back, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. Then I like to go back up to 1, 5, 6, 7, 1. So the important thing to remember with a major scale is basically the half steps are between 3 and 4 and 7 and 1. All the other numbers between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 5 and 6. Everything has a whole step. The interval is a whole step to the next number. So from 1 to 2 is a whole step. From 2 to 3 is a whole step. From 3 to 4 is going to be a half step. 4 to 5 is a whole step. 5 to 6 is a whole step. 6 to 7 is a whole step. And then the other half step is back from 7 to 1. And that is how you play an A major scale in 4th position. Next, we're going to play a Dorian scale. That is the mode that is based off the 2nd note of a major scale. And we're going to start right here, and we're going to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, major 6, or a major 6 interval, flat 7, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7. Coming back, flat 7, 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, going back to the root, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. So what you want to know about Dorian is that it is the mode that's based off the second scale, 2nd interval or 2nd note of a major scale. So A Dorian is the same exact notes as G major. It's in the key of G major. The 2nd note would be A, and if I base the scale off from going from A to A in a G major scale, it would be A Dorian. If you find that really confusing, I did a video here on YouTube called Modes Explained. I'll put the video right there. And so I'll put the link down in the description as well. You may want to go over there if you're like, I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean it's built off the second note of a major scale? Well, that explains it in that video. This is more just I'm showing you how to play all the different modes based off of one area right here, which is A in fourth position. So once again, with Dorian, it's basically a minor scale. It's a minor scale 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5. But instead of a flat 6, we have a major 6 interval. So it's basically a minor scale with a major 6 and not a flat 6. So that is how you play an A Dorian scale in fourth position. This is how you play a Phrygian scale in fourth position. We're gonna do A again. They're all gonna be done in A. So we're gonna start here. It's gonna go 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7. Coming back, we have flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1. And then going down, we have flat 7, flat 6, 5. Going back to the root, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. The way I remember this, to remember the pattern easily, to me it's basically just a minor scale, which is 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. But instead of a 2, you have a flat 2. So to me, it's just a minor scale with a flat 2. And the Phrygian scale is based off the third note of a major scale. So A major would be the same as A Phrygian would be the same scale as F major, same notes. Because the third note, the scale that A is the third in is an F, 3, 2, 1. So F major is the same notes as A Phrygian. I know that's kind of confusing, but that's kind of the way it is. So that is how you play an A Phrygian scale in fourth position. This is how you play an A Lydian scale in fourth position. We're starting here on A, which is 1. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6. Coming back, we have 6, 5, sharp 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, sharp 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, sharp 4, going back up to 1, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. All right, so a Lydian scale is based off the fourth note of a major scale, and it feels kind of like you're playing a major scale, except instead of having a fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have a sharp 4. So in my mind, I basically just think of this is a major scale with a sharp 4. 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. It's a pretty cool sounding scale. It almost sounds like major, but just sounds a little different with that sharp 4 in there. And that was how you play an A Lydian scale in position number 4. This is how you play an A Mixolydian scale based off the fourth position here. We're going to start here on A. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. So Mixolydian is one of my favorite scales. Once again, to me, I think of this as a major scale with a flat 7. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. And the diatonic chord would either be an A major chord, because you have 1s, 3s, and 5s, or A, C sharps, and E's. And if you were the 7th chord for that would be an A7 chord. You could have 1, 5, flat 7, 3. So that would be the 7th chord that is built off of this. That's why it's such a cool scale for jamming on. If you're playing over an A7, you can use a Mixolydian scale. And then a Mixolydian scale is based off the 5th note of a major scale. So that is how you play a Mixolydian in 4th position. Now we're taking a look at Aeolian 4th position. Aeolian is a fancy word for minor, so this is just a minor scale. We're going to play an A minor scale based off of this A right here. On the 12th fret, it's going to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7. Coming back, we have flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. So a minor scale is based off of the 6th note of a major scale. So in other words, if I'm playing A minor right here, and this A is the 6th note of a major scale, then it would go 6, 7, 1. So a C major scale is the exact same notes as Aeolian or A minor. So the relative major scale would be C major, and the relative minor to C major would be A minor. If you're not familiar with how to play a minor scale, I think of it as we have your intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That would be a major scale. If you need to change it to a minor scale, you have to flat the third. You have to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. So to change a major scale to a minor scale, you have to flat the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th. And that is how you play an A minor scale or A Aeolian scale in 4th position right here. And for the last mode, we're going to do a Locrian. That is based off the 7th note of a major scale. And it's going to go 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7. Coming back, we have flat 7, flat 6, flat 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, flat 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6. Going back up, flat 6, flat 7, 1. So this is the 7th mode of the major scale. It's the mode that's built off the 7th note. Personally, I kind of don't ever use this scale. I think it's I'm sure someone thinks it's beautiful, but in reality, the reason I even teach it, you're probably hardly ever going to use this, but I teach it because why not? It's one of the 7, so why learn 6? You might as well learn all 7 and just realize that Locrian you're probably not going to use a whole lot. So that is how you play an A Locrian scale in 4th position. Thanks for taking the time to check out this guitar lesson. If you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you get notified when we come out with new lessons. If you'd like to support the channel, please head over and check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/GuitArmy. Over there you'll have access to all of my online guitar courses. There's already over 300 video guitar lessons over there. And I do weekly lessons here on YouTube, and I put those lessons on over there. So you get all kinds of, you also get my book. I think that's like 84 pages just on the major and minor scales. You're gonna get all kinds of cool stuff over there. So, if you're interested, come on over and check out patreon.com/GuitArmy. Oh yeah, before I go, thanks for checking out this guitar lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.